When you first meet someone, a very common polite thing to say is nice to meet you. So in this video, let's take a look at how to say nice to meet you in Chinese. As a lot of you might know, the most common phrase that's often taught in textbooks is 很高兴认识你. 很高兴认识你, nice to meet you. Or 很高兴认识你们 if you're talking to more than one person. For example, take a look at these drama clips. See how they use the phrase 很高兴认识你.
朱瑞，我是戴伟，很高兴认识你。
那个，我叫顾佳，很高兴认识你。
我也很高兴认识你。
Another common way of saying nice to meet you is 幸会. 幸会. 幸 means fortunate, and 会 means to meet. So 幸会 literally means it's fortunate that I've met you. Now let's see some drama clips with 幸会.
这位是海洋集团的董事长朱海天先生。
Hello，
幸会。
我是苏娜。
关根。
幸会。
So these are the two ways of saying nice to meet you. 幸会, 很高兴认识你. But did you know, 很高兴认识你 is actually not very often used because it sounds too formal, too rigid, and a bit insincere. And on the other hand, 幸会 is much more common. So you might be saying, what? You're saying that the textbooks are wrong? Well, I'm going to prove it. Well, as you probably know, on our website, we have a collection of 357 Chinese TV shows with searchable subtitles. So if you do a search for the phrase 很高兴认识你 or 很高兴认识你们, we can find out just how many times the phrase 很高兴认识你 occurs in these shows. And in this case, we get 69 hits. But of these 69 results, 17 of them are actually translations from foreign languages, like this one.
Nice to meet you too.
So really, across our database, we can only find 52 hits of 很高兴认识你. On the other hand, the phrase 幸会 gets 174 hits, which is more than 3 times than the number of hits for 很高兴认识你. So there you have it. There's proof. So to summarize, there are 2 ways of saying nice to meet you in Chinese. 幸会 or 很高兴认识你 or 很高兴认识你们, with 幸会 being 3 times more common. You can take a screenshot of this and save it to your phone, so in the future you can take a look at this again. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps. And here comes our soothing end screen with a sales pitch. If you're a beginner and would like to progress step by step to fluency in Chinese, we encourage you to check out our HSK Level 1 video course. To learn more, just tap on the square button to the left.